Hi there, I'm Dr. Aline Potvin, and my mindful practice is actually quite perfect because I live here in the state of Maine where everything is beautiful and gorgeous outside. So in the seasons where we have warm weather, I like to get outside on a daily basis. But more specifically, I like to walk barefoot for at least a couple minutes on a daily basis. What this does is it grounds me, it sets me into a calm mood for most of the day, and really can be a great way to connect with your surroundings before you get into the hustle and bustle of your daily workday.